Hi there, and welcome to a feature-focused video on our results dashboard. What I'll warn you before we start this video is to access the results panel in Pencil Pro, you need to have ad accounts connected. You can do that through settings and integrations, and we have help articles available to help you with that. We're going to launch in and we're in our workspace. We're not navigating to any of our usual creation tools. Instead, we're going to go to the left-hand panel and select results, and we can immediately see our results dashboard. In this case for me, this is full of dummy data to protect our client information. Before I do anything, I'm going to sync the data to make sure that what I'm viewing is live by pressing that Sync Now button. That's going to take a second to come through and we can just see it reloading. The next thing that I'm going to do is apply a specific time period to this. So at the moment, we're viewing the last 90 days data. I'm going to filter this instead to 7 days, but you could filter this to any custom time period using that calendar view. And there we go, that's reloaded. We can also select to view any individual ad channel or combination of channels. Here I've got Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn, DV360, Google Ads. I could also connect a YouTube channel, and then I'd be able to select that from here as well. So I'm selecting what I want. In this case, I'm going to stick to Meta and I'm going to apply it. And then I can see my data per ad. So each row here is one ad pulled from the connected account. By default, we have CPC, CPM, CTR, CPP, clicks, and then 50 plus others. On Meta, if we were to select a different ad channel, we would have different combinations of results viewable here, pulled from the channel. This is overwhelming, so we can adjust our view settings and we can just select the columns we're interested in. So cost per click, cost per mil, click-through rate, and I'll go for one of the action values here. This gives me a much narrower view, a little bit more digestible and better for sharing with stakeholders. We can then filter that data in any column as we wish. What's also really important to note is we can set these up as pre-built dashboards. So I could rename this dashboard to Meta and always be able to return to this view and these filters and set up an additional dashboard, let's say for TikTok, and get the views that I want for that connection. As ever, and I always say this on my videos, the best way to learn this is by doing. So get into your workspace if you haven't already, connect your ad accounts and just give this a go, click through and see what you can find out about your ad data. Thank you.